You are going to love the 2024 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.